There's two ways to control the flashlight on your Garmin Instinct 3, and it's the very same thing on both watch. First one is to double press on the control button, which is also the light button, and this will turn on the flashlight. And if you do something in the next seconds before that menu goes out, by the way, you can turn it off by double press it again. But in the first seconds, you can use those two buttons to control the intensity of the light. And the lowest one is a red light. Oops. See, I did wait for too long. So now I have to power it off, power it on, and then control it again. If you want to access the page of the flashlight, you need to press and hold that button and navigate with those two buttons until you are on the torch. Select it, and then you can turn on the torch with the GPS button and control the intensity right over here. And if you go at the very bottom, you're gonna have the red. If you press and hold on the menu button, you can enable the strobe. So this one, if I enable it, we're gonna have a blink. We can also have custom. So if you go inside here, you can choose what you want to have. Pulse, a pen, sorry. Enter into pulse, you can switch to beacon, blitz, blink, and then you can choose the speed and the color. And this is how you control the flashlight on your Garmin Instinct 3. I hope this was helpful.